Throughout human history, we've been guided by the light of innovation, illuminating the path to better human health and well-being. We've journeyed through various ages, continuously asking questions, seeking solutions, and making progress with each new discovery. Driven by a spark of imagination, bold thinkers from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem stand at the forefront of medical research and healthcare advancements, relentlessly pursuing a brighter future for humanity. One way the university is enhancing our world is through endeavors to improve treatments for diseases and disorders. Many of us know someone affected by autism spectrum disorder, or ASD. The CDC estimates that 1 in every 36 children has ASD, and currently there are limited treatments for this challenging diagnosis. That could all change thanks to the revolutionary research of Professor Haitham Amal.
Our lab has developed a drug that targets a specific molecule in the brain named nitric oxide. The drug leads to decrease in social deficits, decrease in anxiety-like behavior. It leads to an increase of novelty seeking and exploring novel objects. And these are the 3 main core deficits for autism spectrum disorder.
In addition to treating autism spectrum disorder, Professor Amal also patented a first-of-its-kind diagnostic tool for accurately diagnosing ASD, which would enable patients to seek treatment and therapy earlier. Another exciting field being pioneered at Hebrew University involves RNA therapeutics, a type of treatment that became well known during the coronavirus pandemic. For many years prior to the pandemic, Professor Harmona Sarek has been a leader in the field of RNA therapeutics, and her lab continues to research more treatments using this approach.
Every gene is translated into tens of thousands of molecules of proteins. When we treat proteins, we need to take care of tens of thousands of molecules. But if we go up to the RNA, we go down in the quantity. My prediction is that with RNA therapeutics, we will need much less of the compound. The same thing can happen when you treat a diseased person with an RNA therapeutic that prevents the production of malfunctioning proteins.
When it comes to human health, the Hebrew University is constantly developing new approaches to treating diseases, but more importantly, detecting them earlier. Dr. Chaim Cedar is widely regarded as one of the founders of the field of epigenetics, which studies how our DNA has a mechanism for annotating genetic information, providing a tool for changing the way tissues behave and develop.
It'll give us an important tool for preventing diseases, not only cancer, but other diseases as well. The idea was sold to a company who have developed a kit for the early diagnosis of 20 different kinds of cancers. It's already picked up many cases of cancer way before there were any symptoms, way before any other test was able to discover them. Actually, it can pick up almost any disease.
Innovations at Hebrew University have impacted people all around the world. One such discovery is a drug called Doxil, which treats women with ovarian cancer.
My mother was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer in 2003. The doctors had given her maybe 2 to 3 years to live on traditional treatments. Thanks to Doxil, she went on to live for 10 more years. In that time, she got to experience so many significant and joyful occasions in my life and in her life, from me getting married to having children. Thanks to that drug, my children got to know their grandmother, and what it gave her was just priceless.
By striving for excellence and maintaining a dedication to societal betterment, Hebrew University continues to shape the world in meaningful ways. From improving healthcare outcomes to addressing global challenges, the university's dedication to innovation and collaboration ensures its continued commitment to the world for many years to come.